What is up, YouTube? Redline Gary coming at you here with another mail call. Well, actually, tool haul. We'll go with that. We got the mini Redline here that's going to help with the van and white hands. So, let's get into this. First up, part number 314MMG. This is the 14 millimeter magnetic. Let me see if I can get it there. I think this is the 3/8 shallow Sunex socket. Next up, focus, 315 mmg. As you would notice, we have another magnetic socket. Focus. This one is on a 3/8 as well. The haul of the day, Irwin 10-inch. These are groove joint pliers. These I picked up at Menards for $6. These will come in handy. You can never have too many of these. So, go on. Now, next up, caliper hooks. I got these in yellow, and two reasons why I wanted the caliper hooks for this season specifically. One, they're yellow. You can actually see these things in a freaking dark pit area. I can't tell you how many times we forgot that there's a bungee cord hanging up the caliper. Next up, these things are metal. So when you have very hot calipers and you're trying to like tie them off and everything, bungee cords tend to snap. Metal's good. So, if you like the video, leave me a thumbs up. If you see something you like and want more information, leave me a comment. With that being said, I'm Redline Gary.
And you guys keep it on the track.
We out.